Watched him die, and cried and prayed for his soul. I can't imagine how it felt as he stood there through the winds that would just not blow away. Kiss my wife, tell my son, our work on earth is done. You're the one that can still hear them say, oh. Is there anybody out there listening? And does anybody know my name? No, my friend, we were not there, but we're here and we care, and yes, we feel your pain. And yes, we feel the pain. I can't imagine how you felt as you sat there, trying to hide the fear on your face. And now the earth begins to cry, and you ask the preacher why. Tonight we can hear the children say, hear them say. Is there anybody out there listening? Does anybody know my name? No, my friend, we were not there, but we are here and we care. Yes, we feel the pain. Oh.